In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock Vampire Waygate, the beacon which you can teleport for in VRising. So in order to do that, we'll need to defeat the boss, and the boss name is Polora the Freywalker. It's this one right here, level 34. So you can click on Track Blood and just simply follow this mist that's from where it's flowing. You can also open a map and find her in the gleaming meadows in this corner of the map right here. Simply go in the middle near this pond and she should be there. After defeating her, you'll be able to come back to your castle. Press B, go for exterior and then structures and decor. Here you can see Vampire Waygate. It requires 200 blood essence and 20 planks, 20 copper ingots and 10 gem dust. It's a big decoration or structure, so just place it somewhere where you can actually fit it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.